Today I am with new topic of class 10. Okay, this is a topic of class 10, NCERT chapter 8, trigonometry, introduction of trigonometry. Sorry, it is too much brief introduction in class 10th, which is given about the trigonometry, and the broader and more explanation you are going to learn in class 11th and 12th. There is much more explanation about trigonometry, and actually what I mean that really trigonometry is one of topic in mathematics which is really too much important for our daily life uses. In daily life it can be converted in later on we will go and study about the application of it, and we can find it that without measuring anything, without measuring anything, we can just calculating, by having some calculation we can find out the sum of results. So same way as here also, as there is a saying in if you go through the NCERT books, in the first page of this chapter, you will find there one of uh, saying is there. The saying is like that: there is perhaps nothing which so occupies the middle position of mathematics. Okay, as trigonometry. Means here he is saying that there is nothing any topics or things as a trigonometry, it is in a middle position of mathematics. Means you can say, in by the way what I am able to understand is that it is the heart of mathematics. Heart, okay, it is the heart of the mathematics. ये maths का दिल है. Okay, by the way, those students who are unable to understand trigonometry, they feel that it is too much tough, and that really I'm going to make them be relief. Don't be worried about it. Nothing is more big deal. uh, Try it and you will do it, and definitely you will. There is no much more big deal. Okay, now let's go to the topics. Let's hear the trigonometric ratio. Okay, initially as I have written something, it may be a something some different for you all, that what I have written here is like here per high, b high, high per high, and this pe khaja and baja, like that. When I was in class 8th, at that time I was in ICSE board. In class 8th, I have learned about this, and my teacher was too much fun teacher. He taught me in this way, and till now I am remembering. I remember this, and I really like this method. So I am going to pronounce it. Just listen it. Sin per high, kas be high, कसक हाई पर सेक हाई बा, कटे बेस पे खाजा, तन पे बजे बाजा, like that. Oh, it rhymes like that. Something, it's really interesting. If you guys are enjoying it, and definitely you can learn by this pattern also. There is a various pattern to learn it, as you wish to. But there's once more I'm going to repeat it. Sin per high, kas be high, kasek high पर सेक हाई बा, कटे बेस पे खाजा, तन पे बजे बाजा, like this. Okay, okay. This was the actually the trigonometry is all about concern about the right angle triangle. Okay, in trigonometry, maximum with what the topic which we are learning in your level, it is all about right angle triangle. Suppose A, B, C. Okay, and there is in right angle triangle there is a especially three side. Okay, this one, this and this, and the name is fixed. Only the one name is fixed, which is the longest side. Its name is fixed. It is a hypotenuse. It is called a hypotenuse. Okay, capital H, or you can this. But this base and perpendicular are not fixed. That depend upon the angles. Okay, which angles, the respect of the angles. Either if suppose if you are in question is asking the angle C, in this respect the triangle perpendicular will be AB. Okay, in the respect of this it will be a AB will be the perpendicular. If suppose it in question there is a angle A, in this respect of angle A, the P will be this. Okay, so if the previous, let rewind here. If suppose this was a P with respect of angle C, it was a P, then it will be a B base. Okay, if now this is in respect of this angle A, then it will be a perpendicular and this one will be a base. That depend on the when you will deal the question, then definitely you can learn about this. Okay, there is no much more something that you are going to be uh, over your mind. Okay, you will get it. And further, if you have some queries, you may ask with me in comment section, and personally you can chat with me. I will make my best to make you understand. Okay, and this way, like that. Okay, what I have told, this is the triangle H. Let be a B and C. Let it be a base and it be a perpendicular. This way, just I'm going to clear about this. Sine, it means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, this, and this cos, base upon hypotenuse, this one. And this cosec means hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and here sec means hypotenuse upon base. Clear? And here cot means base upon perpendicular, like that. And here tan means perpendicular upon base. Clear? Here if you look over there, some things are just opposite to each other, like that. Cot and tan, they are each other opposite to each other. Okay, and here sec and cos, this is opposite to each other. If you are going to learn any of one, and this cosec and sine are opposite to each other, if you are going to, if you have learned 1, 2 and 3, this any of 3, there is a 6 components. If you have learned 3 1, then definitely you can learn 6 over, because the, as you have said, as you are seeing here, the sine is the opposite to cosec, cos is opposite to sec, cot is opposite to tan. Okay, then it will be more easy to you learn it. Okay, let's going to further. This was the introduction period. I hope that you have got it about this. This is a trigonometric ratios. Okay, in terms of sides, their perpendicular, base and their hypotenuse on their terms, and the base. Okay, and one thing more I'm going to rewind is, as previous class you have learned, I hope that you have learned it, that formula. Okay, h square equal to p square plus b square, this one. It means the square sum of perpendicular and base equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, this one, that means hypotenuse will be always longer and more than perpendicular and base, this one. Okay, let's go through the next topic of understanding, is that trigonometric ratios. As in the screen you are able to see over here that, okay, that here you are able to see in screen. One second, I will make you more clear it. Trigonometric ratios of 0 to 90. Okay, trigonometric ratios of 0 to 90, these are the ratios. Okay, I hope that you have there is no big deal. Okay, you can learn about this also, there is no any issue, there is given. And I just want to make it clear that the sine and cos, they are opposite to each other. Tan and cot, they are opposite to each other. Sec and cosec, they are opposite to each other. There will be no much more problem to you learn about. In their sine, 90 is 0. Okay, and 31 by 2, 41 1 upon root 2, 60 root 3 upon 2, 91. Okay, if it's just too much, it's opposite. If you will find here that 45, any of sine, cos, tan, cotec, sec, yeah, cosec, the 45 degrees, the 45 degree of that particular components are opposite to each other, like sine and cos, or you can say same, they are same. Okay, there is no, if you have learned any of this, there is a 6. If you have learned this 3, then you can just correlate it. Okay, the 45 is same. Look, this one, then this and this one. I'm just making it clear how to learn it in by a proper way. Okay, and here if you go through the 6, sine 0 degrees equal to opposite, sorry, this cos 90 degree, and cos 0 degree is just equal to 90 degree. Okay, sine 30 degree is equal to this cosec 60 degree, and cos 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Similarly here also tan, cot, sec and cosec also it is same. Okay, there is no issue, and I hope that you can learn it a bit. Is okay. Now let's go through the next, that is our this trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles you will find here. Here it is given on complementary means the sum, as you have learned in previous class also. Complementary means the adding of any two angles, it is the sum is 90 degree, then these both are called a complementary part. Okay, these are the both are the complementary angles. When you add, it comes to 90 degree, it's called a complementary angle. Here is the sine 90 minus a, sorry, theta, yeah, a, as you can understand, do this equal to cos, and just opposite to each, this one and this one, they are equally, sorry, opposite to each other. If you have learned this one, then definitely you can just find this one also. Sin 90 minus a equal to cos, if cos 90 minus a equal to sine. Okay, tan 90 minus a equal to cot, then cot 90 minus a equal to tan theta. Sec 90 minus a equal to cosec, then cosec 90 minus a equal to sec theta. Okay, this is only the terms to, you have to learn it, okay, properly, how it the formula, because when you use the, when you do the solution questions, will deal the questions, this will be more much important for you to deal the questions. Okay, so go through it and learn it properly. Okay, we will go forward. The next our last, I think is the next or last, yeah, this one, trigonometric identities, it is last one, and it's too much important. Okay, it's too much important, trigonometric identities, it's too much important for you all, because without this maximum in proving questions, these are being used maximum in proving, this all this are used in your NCERT, your books, only this one and this one is given. But if you know, you were well smart, then you can find it that by having this equation, you can find this, from this one equation you can find two more, this which I have written here. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, then it will give sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta just reversing. Okay, here same, also here same here also, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. If you are going to reverse it, you will find two more equations, and here also same, if you are going to reverse it, you will find two more equations. Okay, and one more thing there is, for these two equations, this and this condition are applied. For this one this is applied, and for this one this is applied, means the theta here, the theta is greater or equal to 0 degree, and here less than 90 degree. And in one second, I'm just going to erase it, it's making too much rough. Here look, no, yes, for this equation, this condition is applied, that this theta and this theta will be, this equation will be satisfied if this theta and this theta is greater or less, sorry, greater or equal to 0 and less than 90 degree. And similarly here, this equation is going to be satisfied if this theta and this theta, theta means angle here, okay, don't be confused, angle, theta is greater than 0 and less or equal to 90 degree, then this equation is going to be satisfied, otherwise it is not going to be satisfied. Okay, and something more, and there is no much more, I don't think that there is no much more any queries, they may be to clear to you. I hope आप लोग कर लोगे, and just remember these equations. Okay, these equations and this and previously which I have mentioned here, that is too much important for you all. This from starting just revise this trigonometric ratio, sin पर आई कस बे आई कसे खाई पर से खाईबा कटे बेस पे खा जा तन पर बजी बजा, like there is various times of rhymes also, then you can go through that also. Okay, and here trigonometric ratios and basis of angles 0 to 90 degree. Okay, if you have learned any two, then you can just any three, then you can just reverse it and just easily you can find the value of that particular angle. Okay, now there is complementary angles, it's also important, just learn it. Okay, previously I remember that in previous exam, last exam which has in board exam, this was cancelled out, but now it is not there in any issue, there is no any notification that it is going to be, it wasn't cancelled from the syllabus last year. But but you have to learn it, because for coming examination it will definitely come. So and lastly is this the equations, and you have to learn. Okay, go through it, and from next video I will solve the exercise, and follow me there. Okay, okay, bye.